In this video, I will show you how you can fix the chat option not showing in the YouTube video. For that, the process is very simple and easy. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. And I'll be providing the YouTube link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So number one thing is go ahead and check your Wi-Fi. If you are connected to your Wi-Fi, that is a very good thing. So just cross-check it if your internet connection is working. So if your internet connection is working, the next thing is go to the YouTube section of the Chrome where you can clear the cookies and the side cache. So go ahead and clear the cache memory by deleting all these things. So here you guys can see that I have installed some of the extensions which can really cause problems for the browser or YouTube to work properly. So you have to uninstall the extensions or deactivate it for this particular website. So that way your issue will be fixed.